guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm back with another luxury review for you guys. I do want to do a disclaimer that I am doing these types of videos more so to be educational and informational for people who actually want to purchase these types of bags, just to see pros and cons and what are our experiences with these types of bags. They're in no way, shape, or form trying to be bragging, boastful about what I have, but I just love to share my genuine review about them. And if you guys love these types of videos, I recommend to keep on watching, and if you don't, go ahead and X out. I have a few more different types of videos that you guys may enjoy. So the bag that I have to review today for you guys is going to be YSL's envelope chain wallet in Grande Poudre embossed leather, and I have it in this beautiful red color. I believe it's like a lipstick red, and I'm going to go through the specifics of the bag first. So the bag is 8.8 inches across, 5.5 down, and 1.5 across this way. The width, let's just call it the width. The width of the bag is 1.5 inches. So just on size alone, I would say it's a pretty decent size. Of course, the biggest worry is the width, because obviously with having it being a more thinner type of bag, it's a little bit harder to use as far as putting things inside. Another feature I love about the bag is that it comes with a chain, so I could do a crossbody, or I could do it as a clutch form, which is really nice to have a bag that does two things so that it's a little bit more versatile. The shoulder strap drop is about 48 centimeters. I'm 5'2", so for me it falls perfectly. I can imagine people who are a lot taller may have a little bit of difficulties with it. It may not be as low for them, and it may be a little too high, but for me I'm 5'2", and it works out really great, which is really hard to find sometimes, because I notice a lot of Gucci handbags, like I can't use a lot of their shoulder bags, it's a little bit too long for me. So let's talk about the inside of the bag. There's about 10 card slots and this nice zipper where you can put coins or anything else you'd like to put in there. Obviously, this is a wallet on chain type of bag, so this bag is really not meant to be stuffing a whole bunch of things. It's not a regular purse. It's basically a way that you could put all your credit cards and money in here, and maybe your cell phone. I have an iPhone 11 Pro, and it fits really nicely inside without having any difficulties of closing the bag. But again, this usability of it is really just to be used for a wallet, and it's at the same time a bag for you. So now that we've talked the specifics, let's talk about the pros. I feel like a lot of the pros I've mentioned with the specifics as to why I purchased it. Again, I want to talk about the usability. I love that I can use it as a clutch or with the strap. I also really like that it's a pretty decent size where it's not just a wallet. I can put my phone in there, I could put my lip gloss and keys and not have a problem with that, because I know a lot of wallet and chain handbags out there, some of them are very, very thin where it's just really your money and that's it. Another thing I really enjoy, again, is that it falls really nicely on me. I am 5'2", and it falls just right here where it's the perfect height for me, so I love that. I also really like the Grande Poudre leather. I feel like it's the leather that I go to for an everyday type of a bag, or a bag that I really don't want to worry about it getting scratched. So I love that I can be carefree with this bag and not have to worry about that. I also really love the red color. I think YSL does a really great color for red specifically. It's this beautiful, bright but muted color. It's not too shocking. It's not too loud. I find that lately red handbags is that beautiful pop of color to an outfit that's just very muted. So I love that about them. I just think it's a really great size bag, and I love the versatility of it, using it for night or day, or for formal outfits or casual outfits. I think it's a really great look, and I am really obsessed with this handbag, to be honest. I really want to purchase other colors too. Another pro to this bag is the price point. For this wallet and chain, it's about $1,500 or $1,550, somewhere around there. I think it's a pretty decent price for a wallet on chain handbag, considering how much items can fit in here, what is the usability and how it's made. I think it's a perfect price. It's not too expensive. So my biggest con about this bag is not necessarily the size and how much items I can put in there, because I'm pretty happy with that. But if you are a person who likes to carry a lot of things, this bag for you is more of an evening bag. It's not going to be your everyday bag, because not everything can fit in here nicely, and it won't even close. So you want to think about the size for you. But the main con for me is the chain. Honestly, I have other bags from other designers that have lighter weight chains. YSL does a heavy chain. And so for me, sometimes over time when it's heavy and I'm traveling with it or I'm walking around with it for a long time, I'll see chain marks and it gets really heavy and it gets really uncomfortable. So that's the biggest con about it. But other than that, I don't have any other cons that I really don't like about the bag because I think it's a really great designed bag. For me, usability was a big thing and it checks that off the bucket. I love the design, the simplicity of the YSL emblem. I love it. I love the leather. I really don't have any much complaints. I love how it falls on me perfectly. I do see that as a con for people who are a lot taller, just because I feel like it won't hang on them properly, or it may hang on them just right underneath the boob, and I don't know if that's going to be comfortable for them. But for me, it fit great. But yeah, for me, just the biggest complaint is the chains. I feel like they should really think about getting a lighter chain, because I don't know, sometimes it's just really uncomfortable. Well, there you guys have it for my YSL Grande Poudre wallet on chain embossed leather. What a mouthful. I'm pretty sure I'm still saying that incorrectly. We're just gonna call it YSL wallet on chain bag review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this a video thumbs up if you did or found it informational. Leave a comment down below if you already have the bag and what do you love about it, because I'd love to know, and what do you hate about it, because I also would love to know, or if you're looking into purchasing it. I may have missed a few things on this review. Let me know in the comments down below as well so I can address any other questions you may have. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell button to get notified each time I upload a video. And I will see you guys on my next one.